Hey guys, my name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've done a video. My last video I shared that I had a fourth baby and things have just been really busy. But we are just entering the new summer vacation season, so we're kind of done doing homeschool for now. And in the meantime, I decided that I would start a new little venture within Green Onion Vintage, and especially for graduation season. So on my TikTok, I've been seeing a lot of girls painting graduation party banners. They're using the brown craft paper and acrylic paint, and those are things that I actually already had on hand when I was watching these videos, and I was like, I think I can do that. And so I just wanted to show you kind of what I've been working on in the meantime. It's been really hard for me to get furniture painted. It's been a really long time since I've made any like actual signs like I used to make with my Cricut that would be more like home decor, but I've always wondered what I could do that would like use my painting skills, which are limited, I would say. I really like painting kind of cute things like flowers and stuff, and I didn't know how to transfer that into things to sell in my antique booth. But seeing these party banners is actually, it feels like a really good fit for me actually. So I want to show you what I've done so far. I've only done 2 actual banners, and then my first banner order was also 6 corresponding table runners. So that's what I'm working on today. I wanted to show you how my first banner turned out, which I just did for free for a friend who was hosting her daughter's graduation party. And then from that post, I got my first order, and I just wanted to show everything that I've been working on. So this will be a really quick, short video, but I thought you guys might like to see what I've been doing. Now, if you would just like to know more about how I make my banners, I will definitely do a tutorial soon. Right now I'm just using some brown paper from Michael's, but I want to upgrade next to some construction paper from Home Depot. So like the actual paper you would lay down at a construction site. That is what most girls are using because it's a little more durable. And I'm just using a very just basic acrylic paint on top. It is water-based though, so I think that the stronger paper will do better at not rippling when you add the paint on top. But I would love to share more about that process later on. But today I just kind of wanted to show you the beginnings of what I've been working on so that maybe you can consider ordering from me in the future or just making some yourself. As you can see for the table runners, I just cut the banner paper in half lengthwise, so there was 15 inches each, which was the perfect size for tables. She sent me pictures of how the party looked, and I was really, really happy. So there's no good way for me to show you how everything turned out, but I did just kind of lay everything on the floor to the best of my ability. I don't have enough space to actually do all of the runners at once, but it goes on and on, as you can tell. But I love how they coordinate together. This is obviously for a musician. And this was a lot of fun for me. It was a ton of practice. I definitely got faster as I went along. But I think they look so good. They really help kind of build my confidence in painting, because it's been a while since I've done some freehand stuff like this. I used to make signs all the time, but this was just kind of a new skill for me to scratch. So overall, really happy. And here is it with the actual banner. So like I said, I have no really good way to show you this, but it's definitely going to coordinate really well. I really like how this turned out, and I am considering figuring out some way to ship these to you guys if you wanted to place an order. Of course, I'm just getting started on these, but I'm feeling pretty positive that it could be a good little side gig for me. So let me know what you think of this one today. So before I let you go, this is what my first banner looked like that I did for a friend, and it was her daughter's graduation and then her daughter's friend's graduation party. So it turned out so well. I loved painting this one. I love doing the flowers and all the little vines and leaves. This is exactly what I love to paint. So the next one was more of a challenge because it was a little bit more masculine for sure for our friend Luke. But the guitar was super fun, and then actually the font ended up being one of the easier things, so I can tell that as I get more practice I won't have to rely on the projector as much probably to get the font correct. I do really like it though for spacing purposes, but overall it was so fun to do those 2 banners. And then this is the next one I'm working on. It's more of a Lord of the Rings theme. So this is a little picture of Bag End. I still have a lot of blending to do with the grass, and then I have to put the words on it, but that's what I've been doing so far. Okay, so the next piece of this puzzle is that I am willing to ship, and I'm nervous to say that because I just hope that I could keep up with it and not disappoint people, but I think that it'd be kind of the first time where I'd have a product that I'm making on my channel that would actually be doable to get to you guys. I've sold like a few antiques here and there to people who have really wanted something and they've messaged me. But this would be the first time that I'm actually making something on my channel that would be like actually easy for me to get to you. So I really like the idea of shipping my banners, and I've been following other girls who are doing it too. and it just comes like in a big long box, and I think it costs about $12 to ship something that size and that weight. It's really just kind of pricey because it is like 36 inches long for the box. So I am thinking about that though. So if you are watching this and you are thinking that you would like something like that, if you could just let me know kind of the interest level down in the comments and just say like, I'd like to order. And if you could tell me what month maybe it would be, just so I can kind of like forecast some kind of plan of when I should maybe try to jump on this. Price ranges and things, I think that I'll probably have 2 price tiers if I do go ahead and do this online, and have like a smaller option, which would maybe be like a 3 feet by 3 feet. So more like this. This is actually pretty small. And then a larger option, which would be anything that's like 5 to 7 feet, which is the one, like the ones I made in the video. And then the paper I'm using today is only 30 inches tall. And so once I kind of use this up, I'm definitely going to go to Home Depot and get the more heavy duty brown construction paper that is 36 inches tall. So it would be taller than this one here. And then I could just do whatever length I wanted to do. So all that to say, I already have a website. It's been up for quite a while now. I just haven't done a ton with it, but you can go look at it. It's pretty, and I've worked a lot on it. I took the blogging course from Lisa Bass, who does Farmhouse on Boone. I don't think she does the blogging course anymore. She's changing some things up, but it was really, really helpful. It is such a lengthy process, and I was really, really underestimating how much work that was going to be when I first started. So it's been a very slow work in progress for me to make that website, but it is up, and that is probably where I'll have my order form. So it's not up yet, but that is where it would be. So I'll have that link down below so you can at least check that out. But for now, if you could just give me your interest down in the comments and say if you would maybe consider purchasing from me in the future. And this is like no commitment at all. I'm just trying to get some sort of idea if it's even worth my time to make the order form. That's really what I'm trying to judge right now. So once I have the form and you have commented down below that you may be interested in some point, I'll link it for you so that you're kind of the first people to know. So I think that's everything I wanted to say for this video. I know it's kind of a lot, and I just don't have a realistic idea of how many banners I could do per week. So we're all just kind of winging this together, but it has been really fun so far. And I don't know, that's that for now. We'll see how it goes. I really appreciate you spending some time with me today though, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.